Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish, and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, we are going to do a sink strainer drain plug pour that I've elevated with a plastic shot glass. We're going to use kind of a fall palette. I wanted to see what would happen if I did mostly metallics. So let's see what happens. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. All right, we're going to use Artist Loft Black, Artist Loft Bright Red that I've kind of muted down with some raw umber. And then this is a kind of a custom blend of an off-white. I don't want to say it was actually beige, but kind of beigey gray, creamy color. And then this is metallic gold. And then this is copper. And both of these are Artist Loft paints. So let's prep our canvas. We're going to do this with a black background. Let's, is that a bubble or is that that's a slime ball? Shame. There we go. All right, we're gonna I'm gonna put this kind of off center, just because I can. It's got a little bit of white paint on it. Oh well. And we're going to start off with the red. All right, take the airbrush and help you along a little bit. And we're just going to lift this guy up. I had an idea. Now, I'm going to tip this, but I want to take this off so I don't get any more paint all over it. There we go. Let's dip into the black a little bit and get the edges because I missed those. Set this down. Okay, let's torch this. I actually really like this. Let's do a little bit of skewer work here. I'm going to use not the pointy end, I'm going to use the flat end this time and see how that goes. All right, let's torch this one more time. All right, let's let that sit for about 15-20 minutes and we'll come back to it and do a close-up. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and I thought I'd come back and show you how this turned out. If you found value in today's video, please click that thumbs up button. If you like this video and would like to see more, please click that subscribe button and click that little notification bell, and that will let you know when we go live on our channel or we upload new content. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.